Unplug Lycom. Okay, first flight on Earth.
What do you think, Teddy? Good job. Now can I say
Yeah,
good
thank you.
job? It's a huge milestone for us to have built this Mars helicopter that's to the quality that's needed to be launched, to travel to Mars on board the Mars 2020 rover, and to have met the really stringent mass constraint, coming under 2 kilograms. In fact, we weighed in under 1.8 kilograms. We have to be light to fly at Mars. We built the Mars helicopter, the helicopter that'll go to Mars. And at this time, we've shown that it can fly. We've done the flight test in the chamber with the thin atmosphere representative of Mars. Very important. And secondly, we've tested it through the thermal environment. The environment at Mars, it gets very cold at night, down to like -°C. That's like temperature of dry ice. And we have cycled the temperature on this helicopter, the extreme temperatures that it's going to see. And very importantly, we've shown that it can survive autonomously. You know, we want to get to Mars. We're not done yet. The job is certainly not done yet. This is the test, the last test that we can do, the last flight test that we can do on Earth. But really, our job isn't done until we see the same test flight being performed at Mars. So next time we fly, it'll be at Mars. But that's our ultimate goal. That's when we'll go, yes.